ये एक छोटा बैग कौन
जब से ये गेट अंदर हो गया तब से वो हट गई।
कितने सारे बैग्स लेके अंधेरे में आपको दिखाते हैं अभी। It's Sneha's family leaving us all at the airport. See Sneha, how she is crying like a cry baby. I can understand Sneha that you are leaving your parents and flying first time international. I can understand. Please don't cry, bacha. Please don't cry.
My amma was karwai.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Khatti Meethi Baatein. Today we are going somewhere really special. Do you want to disclose, Sneha?
No, I don't want.
See, she is really shy. See how she is.
Damn it, I'm crying.
Sneha, don't cry now. See, it's
not a pressure cooker.
like as you all know, it's every time it's the first time when a student go international. And if we cry, then how will make our parents strong?
Can we talk in Hindi?
Like
As well.
these
ये
should
भारतीय है.
make our parents strong है. Parents को strong बनाना है. मैम ऐसे रोएंगे तो कैसे चलेगा भाई?
Damn it, first time है मेरा यार.
Like you should be. It's also my first time going as a student now. It's also my first time.
But you traveled before now.
But going as a student, like leaving a country for a long while. It's not like a 1 or 2 week trip.
Damn it, I didn't even experience that also. So that's why it's happening.
Like it's like I am also crying from inside, but I know I will also cry when my parents leave the UK. I will also cry, guys. I will also cry. I am also a human. I have like really soft heart. Okay, anyways, like let's not ruin our trip. We have a good huge flight and we need to enjoy so many stuff. And so let's go and start our flight. What is it? Our flight is Finnair, which will go from Delhi to London at 7:40. So we need to check our PNR really quickly. Like, yeah, I can't see so much crowd here. My parents are saying you should reach early. There are a huge crowd. I think they assumed that we will lose something. So they were worried, but we can reassure them. We can reassure our parents we will be fine. We will be in one piece when we'll reach. Entire one leg to head to toe.
As well emotional.
Yeah, emotionally, mentally, fully body fitted. We will reach in London and meet my parents who are desperately waiting for me and Sneha. They're eagerly and my dad just calling me, asking how I'm doing right now, or actually how we are doing right now at the end.
Actual basis.
Yeah, actual basis. Yeah. Please don't take us seriously. There will be a lot of fun activities and lot of fun drama stuff going on this channel.
And
from
here is
the
as well a drama stuff.
yeah, entire drama queen of our channel, Sneha Verma. The entire channel, the ideology of this channel, it came from this. You should play this. You should play this, man. Namaste, Sneha, ma'am. We are really early for the airport. It's currently around 2 o'clock. It's going to be around 2 o'clock and our check-in is still not open for Finnair. And we had to wait at the airport until we can check our bags and go to our special area. Actually, my special area, whenever we travel international or domestic, we always take that special service every time at the airport. And this time Sneha will also experience, see how she is happy about that service. See how happy she is. See, she can't control her happiness or express.
It's a mix of emotions. I
She's
understand.
or we can say she's exploding in happiness. Like the holy colors,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
होली के colors में हम फूटते हैं गुब्बारों की तरह. I think I saw a seat there. That's empty. We can sit there. So let's take a seat and just relax for a bit. It was a hectic ride from Gurgaon to Tirupati. We all were just sobbing and this was the wrapping service and we already saved a lot of money by wrapping our bags ahead. Thanks to my mom who suggested to wrap rather than paying thousands and tons of money just for wrapping a single bag which they charge at the airport. We all are happy saving our money at the airport right now. see, we are having one more student going to Russia with a baggage. His baggage. See how
Damn it, बच
Again,
गए.
we are fine. And finally, we are getting 46 kgs and now it's for 2 bags. That's
Okay.
43 per bag. And
We are less.
thankfully-
We are left with twos. Okay.
we are left with just
Remaining twos.
Hey guys, so currently we are sitting just waiting for our check-in. Currently it's 3:28 right now and we are still waiting for our check-in. Usually for international flights, check-in starts around like 3 to 4 hours early, but they are starting our check-in at 4:30. That's really late. Like just we are getting a 3.5 hour buffer for our check-in. That's really late. They should have actually started our check-in at 3 p.m. but they are starting it 3 a.m. but they are starting it really late. We are making snaps right now. We are making lots of snaps. What we'll do sitting like this for an entire 1.5 hour. We are
What the
just chilling and see
Oh, this was
what
a
are
good one.
snaps we are
This is me.
getting.
Yay.
This is Sneha.
Yeah. This is
Sneha.
me.
Imagining
Grumpy.
himself like a cat.
The grumpy one.
Like
No.
two Indian girls going to UK, living in a same room, then what to expect from each of us?
Fighting.
Like fighting is just normal. Like we know we'll fight, we'll pull each other's hair all the time. That's too
ऐसे वाली
true.
लड़ाई नहीं होगी.
And we'll also fight who'll cook, who'll clean the kitchen, or who'll clean our room. It will be this a constant fight. Don't worry, you'll see all the back and forth and insides of our daily life regularly from now on. Each day we'll post something on shorts showing all our memories, all our funny moments with all you guys, so that you can also resonate and can experience what it's being like living alone with our parents in a huge country abroad. We'll show you the real truth.
I'm
Like-
feeling so sleepy.
See, say good night. Finally, our check-in has started, and it's currently 4:08, and we are finally going for our check-in, and it's a pretty big line. Finally, our immigration is complete. Nothing was removed from our bag. Now we are in the duty-free area and just running. It's going to be 6, and our flight is at 7:40. So we need to run for our lounge access. We'll sit there for an hour and then rush back to our flight destination. We'll have to run for our lounge actually.
My shoulders is done.
Everyone's shoulders are hurting right now, man. We are carrying 20 kgs on our shoulder, plus these heavy jackets. And she's carrying a coat, see. Trench coat. It's duty-free area. It's amazing. ऊपर जाना है. So guys, as we got ejected from the launch and was kicked out, so we are now currently eating McD. We have taken Big Mac, which costed us around 1,000 rupees. Like it
But
was so
it's worth it.
expensive, but yeah, it was worth it. Like I can also show you the bill. See,
Worth it. Still the food
it
is
costed us 1,000, but yeah, it's really amazing. Like you won't get this freshness of the fresh quality.
is our pigeon.
We just completed our meal and we are rushing for our gate
Flight.
number. It's B15 and it's currently 6:36 right now, and our boarding starts at 6:50. So we need to figure out where is B15. Let's take you along with us. 1 to 26, so B15 would be here. See, otherwise we need to go to the other side, other end of this world, or other end of the airport. Sneha, can you buy some Tanishq for me?
I don't have a gold mines, okay?
Please buy a gold ring for me.
Oh, you want like engagement?
Gold. Who said only engaged? Only engaged people can buy gold rings.
What can you
Friends can also give each other. Yeah, friends can also give each other a gold ring.
Friendship
Yeah.
ring, like kinda.
Yeah, it's like a friendship ring.
Oh, let me get the money, then I can able to buy it.
You have money in your wallet?
No.
You have so many pounds.
That's
so much.
parents one.
But it's ours, will we?
No.
Oh, okay, let's just focus on finding our seats. It's B15, so it would be up there. It's A.
May we have your attention for a gate change?
It's B is further. We need to reach before 6:50, so we are like walking very fast with 20 kgs on our back. B19, B15 आगे होगा. First time for traveling alone without parents. We reached 15B and we are tired. We did the mistake. Now we didn't check. We just saw the board and just went all the way there.
Opposite side.
We went the opposite side. See, all of us are tired right now. So this is our seat. This is in-flight entertainment and this this is an open space. And we get
ये sleeping का ही bag है ना?
puke bag and user emergency manual kit. It's Airbus A330. Yeah, this airplane is a pretty small than the one I traveled in Singapore Airlines, and we get an earplugs. This is the in-flight entertainment. It has so many like dining options. You can select the menu and overall light cabin, then again menu, then there's so many selections of like movies. We can see the real time info of our flights where this is the in-flight entertainment. We are currently here in Delhi and this is the time and yeah, like we can explore settings, map, exit map. Like there's so much collection, games, reading, flight, food, travel extra, Wi-Fi. Oh, we have a Wi-Fi. We have a Wi-Fi on our plane, damn it.
Wow.
We have a first time I'm getting a Wi-Fi on our plane. Wow. Even Singapore Airlines doesn't give Wi-Fi on a plane. It's a pretty good flight and we also get these blankets for a flight. It's amazing. And see here Sneha sitting, reminiscing her old days, remembrance.
I'm just admiring myself.
The landscape Hey guys, so finally we reached where?
Finland.
Finland, Helsinki airport. It was a long journey.
9-hour journey.
Yeah, 9-hour journey is a lot for a flight, and now we just did our second security check, and now we are entered our transfer location, and here we'll wait for our second flight, which is again Finnair, and in around 3 hours 30 minutes we'll reach our final destination. That's London. So let's first, Sneha wants to go to washroom, so let's find her a nice spot, a nice washroom for her, and then we'll...
Not for me, for us.
Yeah, it's for us. Actually, the luggage is too heavy. We are finally boarding a London flight from Helsinki airport in Finland. This is our boarding gate, and now we are just about to board our final flight. Our final flight to London Sea. Again, we are using this connecting tunnel and going inside. See how beautiful the sky is right now. So this is a second Finnair. So finally we got entry in the UK finally. And see, we have collected all our bags and Sneha just went for the washroom. Then we'll go outside and meet my parents in the exit area, and here it was. It was a long, tiring 14 hours. We're really checkered right now. Just want to go at the room and just sleep, keep day up. We're really tired right now. See, that's really taking the 14 hours of like one interchange that we are really tired. Just want to go at a room, take a quick nap and then eat something. First we'll go outside and my parents are waiting outside in the executive. We'll go meet them. I came out of the washroom and now we'll go meet my parents. Let's go. Oh. We finally arrived at London. See, finally. And that's my dad in that black hoodie going ahead, looking for cab.